Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install games and apps on Samsung Galaxy S26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library, so just swipe up. Now here, so click on this Play Store app. Now here, so if you want to install games, so click on games. Now you will see, select games from here. So after select game, click on game and click on install. So after click on install, you will see game is installed. So after the process, click on apps. So if you want to install apps, so scroll down and for example click on app and click on install. So after click on install, you will see installing start. After the process, app is download. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can install game and apps on Samsung Galaxy S26. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.